Hello, this is the demo of production management system with batch tracking. So this is the screen developed for Glenmark Pharmaceutical Nalagarh unit, and it shows the PMS displays and PMS KPIs. So all the KPIs are mentioned here. It shows the current line status, then the product name, batch number, the reference speed at which the line is running, the shift which is currently running, and the operator name. It shows the daily stoppage times of the machines and at what time the machine starts and the what time machine stopped, and also during a single batch at what time the machine started or the batch started, and if there are some breakdowns then what are those and at what time those started. So this is the batch size, the target production, then the batch production time, the stoppage time, how much time in a single batch the machine stopped. Then there is stoppage count, like it is showing one count and the time is 1, so 34 minutes. And this is the pie chart which shows during the whole batch 95 minutes the machine was running and for 34 minutes it is stopped. So here you can see it is regularly updating after every 1 minute. MTTR is mean time to repair. Batch process time, then we have so batch process time is batch production times minus the stoppage time. Input production is the input to the conveyor belt, the filled tubes, and good production is the output of the packing machine. So total efficiency, net efficiency, all those parameters are calculated using these parameters. And OEE, yield, is the quality asset utilization. So if we go to equipments, we have one line running and all others are under progress. In stoppages, we have planned and actual stoppages. In C versus A, we can see the actual versus target production. So we just have to select the date from which and between which we have to see the data. So it will show calculate the target production and the actual production and shows us the difference. Now coming to the batch tracking system. So in this system we can track the batch from the dispensing stage to the packing complete stage. So it uses barcodes and scanners system to track a batch. If we have an different batches, and it shows the last process stage and the next processing stage. So in dispensing we have one batch. So this is the demo data, it is not the actual data. And so here you can see the barcodes that were printed for the dispensing stage of this batch, and then there is the other batch in which it is on manufacturing stage, and here are the other barcodes that were printed for it. Similarly, we have one desktop application which is used to print those barcodes. So it is a 21 CFR compliant desktop application. Here we select the batch, enter the batch number, then enter the batch size. When we click on select, it will show automatically populate this whole list with the required materials. Then we just have to select the equipment from the equipment list. We can simply type it also, as it will automatically fill it with the equipment name. Then we have to enter the gross weight. Here the gross weight is used as a text box, but in the final stage it will be the weight will be taken from the main scale automatically, and operator does not have to fill the uh, gross weight here. So I'm just taking demo values. Once we have completed all the list, we will click on print preview. Here it will show the valid labels and the invalid labels. If there is some data missing in the label, then it will show in the invalid data label list. When we click on print, it will start printing the labels, and once the labels are printed, it will show up in this dashboard. So it is connected to the internet and it will be sending the data to this dashboard. So here you can see the printed label are seen in this stage list. So these are the values that we entered in the software. Similarly, once the dispensing is complete, here we can do once the printing is complete, so that means the material is dispensed, then we can click on complete button. It will move the batch from the dispensing in progress stage to waiting for manufacturing stage. So here you can see that Lulican cream has moved from dispensing to waiting for manufacturing stage. So dispensing does not have in progress indicator in front of it. Inside of this uh, table details, we have all the details of the batches and with the item code and the description, so we can track those using this. And we also have the hold time here, which will be used to check whether the hold time has exceeded, whether the manufactured material has its hold time exceeded, so we can take action before that happens. In the filling and packing line, when we start the PMS, it will automatically fetch the data from here and it will be showed in the batch tracking system. For the reports, we have different types of report like logbook report, logbook record contains the data for the logs that were happening in the production management and batch tracking system. Similarly, there are machine wise reports in which we can select the cell, that is the machine at which the product was manufactured. Then we have operator wise report in which we can select the operator name and see all the operations by a single operator. In the production wise report, we can select a single product for which we have to monitor the production in the report. Also, there is non-productive report in which we can see the breakdowns. All the breakdowns are here and we can see how much time of a single breakdown has occurred. So this is all for the batch tracking system and production management system. Thank you.